trying to cut this drum. Can't get burning and stuff then, you know. I'll try to do today. No, this drum I know it needs to cut so that the virgin can get to burn some boards and stuff like that when the time is, you know, a bit cold. And you're outside in the back in the night. I don't know if you noticed, but in one of the videos then you saw us out here and it was burning into a little drum right there, but the drum was no good. And I think this is the this was the cover for it. You know, them little small little short drum to to burn things in. So that one is no good because it burn right out. And because what happens is when it normally used it left outside in the rain, so the rain and the sun and all that and plus the burn stuff in it, you know, it get it corroded, get it rusted. So that's what really happened there. So I'm going to do that in about 1 minute while I'm still monitoring this thing that I'm doing right here. I'm just trying to finish putting these jerk chicken aside in the jerk pan so it can finish steam through so that the heat can go through them. And then I can attend to the drum, the cutting of the drum. It's like a multitask thing, you know, we do many different work as I told you before in one video, you know. So this is really a part of it. You know, the great 50G just come outside. You know, we are one team, one unit, like a family, you know. That's what we are. So as you can see now, trying to get this thing cut. But first I got to remove the blade. Because the blade for this one is what I use to do sanding down. Or grinding down stuff like. So I can't use this one on it. This blade is a new blade. I got this blade like about, I don't know, almost 8 years ago. I never used it. Or maybe more. I'm gonna use the one that I used before already. And I didn't have any problem with it, so. So as you know, we're gonna make a little bit of noise. So I think because it's a live, I can't get to edit anything out. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna switch off the microphone a little bit. So as you can see, you know, you have to turn, cut and turn, you know, to get it done the right way. But I want to get it done quick as possible because we got work to do inside the main part of the kitchen. So I'm gonna leave on the microphone for now. I know it's gonna be really noisy, but let's give it a try. Yes, man, we take the time and get in there, you know. Take a lot of time and get in there. One thing though, I wouldn't recommend anyone to be using an angle grinder without proper safety wear. You know, goggles. Obviously, I've got my gloves on, but you must always got goggles to protect your eye. Doesn't matter if you are a professional or what. The reason for this because I haven't got any goggles and I really need this drum to cut. So, and because I'm not directly holding my face, in the sparks for things to fly in my eye. But anything can happen. You must always wear goggles to protect the eye. Yes, we're taking the time and getting there, you know. Get in there, get in there. Well, that's the off. That's the off there. Yeah. So we finish cut it off. So now we have a drum that's cut at the top. So now if I know I would have cut the other part. I should have cut the other part because that's the bottom bit that I cut off. But never mind. Never mind. So this is the cart that comes from in it. So we're gonna put it back. Screw it back in.
Hi. And then to pop wire on top. No worry, I'm going to be same to this side. All right. We'll put the jewel in there next week.
Which one?
You have a brand that. Sharpie?
Yeah, man. I'm boxing off, man.
Ganda dapat na ipat ang tika. No, bring it in.
Pada top. No, pada mo. Pada top ko. No, man. Yeah. So I'm there, rub it down. I rub it down now. Me there do all go. Yeah. Yes, man, I hit that now, so we finish. I'll kind of put the drum there. I don't know if you can see it, but the camera a bit high. So that's the drum right there. So we put back on the top on it. Just got to watch out for the sharp edges. So see there? That's it. It's a quick 1-2 job, you know? So try to get myself sorted out now so that I can get back inside, you know, to finish up with the main part of work. So every time with these little microphone, my hands keep forgetting that the microphone is there. Yeah, that is it, people. That is it. That is it. That is it. Sorry.